American African superhero took in over $25 million on Thursday, a record for a Thursday.
Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, Power Family? How you guys doing? What's up, everybody else? How you guys doing? This is the Power 99 FM here, and today I'm going to be making a video of unboxing of the 11-inch Lenovo laptop. I recently did a unboxing of the 14-inch Lenovo laptop unboxing, so if you guys haven't checked that out, be sure to check it out at the end of the video. The link will be inside the description in the end, and if you have already checked that out, thank you so much for checking that out. And a lot of people seem to like that video as it was, so I maybe need a knife to do this. I'm gonna just rip open the box anyways. I don't need a knife. I can just rip it open. Yeah, there we go. Amazon box. Okay, so I'm gonna take this out the way. What I like to do with these is I like to pop them. So I'm gonna pop them right now. Well, some of them. Yeah, I like these. Oh, that wasn't pop. Maybe this is. Oh, that was good. I like that. That was good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love the pop. These are nice. And now you wear this as a little scarf. See that? I can wear this as a little scarf. That's my little scarf. I like that. Okay, so here we go. 11-inch laptop. Look at this. Same one and everything. So this is the box right here. It's empty. Nothing else is in the box. Oh yeah. So I'll put this over here like this. And now it's time to unbox this laptop. So I'm gonna unbox this for you right now. It's the same as that laptop. See, same specs. Oh, they block it out with the little sticker on there. They block it out with the little sticker. I can't see. See that? Look at that. They put that little sticker right there. They put that little sticker right there. Well, it says Lenovo IdeaPad eMMC flash storage Windows 10 gray. They call it gray color, but I think it's a silver color. It's not really gray. I think it looks like silver to me. So I just call it a silver laptop, but they call it a gray color. But oh well. Intel inside, just like the other one. Intel inside. IdeaPad is an IdeaPad, just like the other one. I use Microsoft Word, but I kind of use OpenOffice and LibreOffice more. Well, I kind of use OpenOffice more than LibreOffice, but I tend to go with Microsoft Word or OpenOffice, either one. I really don't use the Microsoft Office 360, 360 Office. I really don't use that. This sticker is so hard to get off. Come on, I'm so easy on the other one. Damn it. the box. Come on. Oh, there you go. Okay. There we go. The struggle is real, guys. The struggle is real. And we have in here the power plug for the laptop. It's the same one as the other one. Yeah, same one as the other one. Right here. Yeah, I'll show you. There is right there. The power plug. Right there. Plug that into the wall, then you plug the other end into the laptop. And it gives you power. I do believe you can use the other 14-inch power plug with this laptop. They're both the same laptop, so I don't see why you can't use the other power plug that came with the 14-inch on this laptop. I don't see why you can't. I'll look into that and see if you can, but I'm pretty sure you can. The scarf is too long. There we go. Okay, now we take out the laptop. Like so. Wow. I never had a 11-inch laptop before, so I don't know what to expect. I've always owned 14-inch laptops and 17-inch laptops and 15-inch laptops. I never had a 11-inch laptop before, so I don't know what to expect. Get this out of the box. Is anything else in there? Is anything else in there? Come out now. Hello? No, nothing else is in there. Okay, just throw that over there. Okay, so it comes with the safety, warranty, and setup guide, just like the other one, right there. I don't need that. And it comes with the Lenovo support telephone list, right there. I don't need that, but that's cool anyways. And I'll put these over there. The power plug can go over there. And this little sticker can go right there. So, I'm going to take this out right now. Okay, I'll just put that over there. Take the other one off. What's funny about this is one of these phone pieces right here came on the 14-inch laptop. Right, like that, I do believe, but it was on this side. But it didn't come with the other one. It only came with one of these on the 14-inch laptop, which I find to be kind of interesting. So, I take out the little baggy bag, like that. Okay, so here is the Lenovo laptop. It's the same design as the other one, same specs, same everything. Yep, same laptop, same specs and everything. Same one. Let's see. Lenovo IdeaPad. Yep. Model number is 81A4. So this is a 81A4 edition. This was manufactured. Oh, that's interesting. This was manufactured 09. see, this is manufactured 2017. Well, it says September 18, 2017. So this was manufactured September 18, 2017. Which was funny because the 14-inch Lenovo laptop was manufactured October 25th, 2017, and this laptop was manufactured September 18th, 2017, which I find to be kind of interesting. Yep, and it's the same laptop, same bottom size and everything. So, it's just pretty nice. Then looking on the ports on the side, it has a micro SD card slot right there, and it has a headphone port right there, and it has a USB 3.0 SS port right there. Yep. That's on this side, and then the other side it has the port for the power, another USB SS USB 3.0 port, and an HDMI port right there, and a USB-C port right there. That's a USB-C port right there. That's a USB Type-C port right there. The Lenovo 14-inch laptop has a USB Type-C port. I said a micro port, I think, but it's USB Type-C port. They have, not a micro USB port. Like I said in the other video, it's a fingerprint magnet, but that's alright. It has no CD drive, no DVD drive, no Blu-ray drive. I don't need that. I just download everything nowadays. I don't use any physical media type stuff anymore. I just think there's no need for that. I'm not really worried about it. So I'm going to open up the laptop right now for you guys, and see what the inside looks like. The inside should look like the same inside as the other one. It should, anyways. So I'm gonna open this up, and we're going to see what this looks like right now. So, yeah, let's get off the scarf. Throw that right there. We throw this in here. Throw this in here. Throw this. And then throw the charger in the box. Put the box over there. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up for you. Oh yeah, it's the same design, same everything. Yep, same design. It has the webcam up top, 11-inch screen, same keyboard layout, same trackpad, same design, same everything. No different. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. That's pretty nice. So, here, let me do a little pan shot around for you. Pan shot around. Look at that. That's really nice. I like that. I like that a lot. Nice trackpad. Nice little keyboard. Nice 11-inch screen, nice webcam up top. I will be testing the quality on the camera in my full review and tell you how I like the quality of the camera. I haven't really tested that out just yet, but everything's nice. So I hope everyone enjoys that video, and I thank everyone for watching this video, and I hope everyone enjoys it. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like right there and subscribe and comment, but there's no comment below. I'm still mad about that. There really should be one. I hope someday somebody will make one soon. I know there's a follow pillow, but there's no subscribe pillow, which kind of sucks. But oh well, it is what it is. So I thank everyone for watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you're new, and like the video if you like it, please. Thank you so much. Your support means everything to me, and I hope everyone has a good day and a good night. And this is the Power 99 FM here, saying peace and stay classy, yo. And I'll see you in the next one. And this Spider-Man futon is sweet. I love it. Peace, guys. Alexa, repeat that.
Slide late and comment to the Power 99 FM.
Well, it got close. Points for trying, Alexa. Points for trying. Points for trying. At least you said the Power 99 FM good. So that's good.